because the resident lunatic in our group, Haircut, is having a bit of silliness. Roll the intro and I'll show you. Warm welcome, one and all. It's currently 3:15, end of the day for me. Kind of done what I need to do for the month, so I'm just coasting along at the moment. But we're going to flick the chart over, and I'm just going to pull up the DAX because I know this is what Haircut likes to trade. And what we're going to do is look at this, and there he is, 1 minute fib incoming. Right. It winds me up all the time about 1 minute charts and various other bits and pieces. Right, okay. I'm not going to do it willy-nilly. There is a strong directional drive. Take all these drawings off. We're going to zone this out. Fib. Top. Bottom. Virtually been in. There has been a locking point at some area. So this particular fib is going to give me just some areas of attraction that I think this chart can move with. There we are, just like so. And then we're going to drop it down into 1 minute and see if we can get some motion out of it. Now it's already on a downward spiral. Why? Because that's what the fib is. There's a 1 minute fib. We're going to look for a pivot point. Now here you can see it's pulsing. There's the fibs. It's cracked. It's just cracked that, pushing into this. Okay, it's holding under the 50. We're going to sell it. So the first thing we do is we just drop in a price, bash, jobs in. There we go. We are into market, 10 quid. We're on a minute chart. We don't want to go gun-ho. Next target point is approximately here. So that's 7 ticks away on this minute chart. And we're just going to hold it from that level into that level because it is broken this one. Now we can hold it longer if we wish. What we're going to do if it goes against us? Well, we have a trading arena. We can also zone that trading arena out. So you'll see me do this quite regular actually. Now this is done on a very small scale. So there's a danger point. There's a danger point. I need to be in and out before these. So I actually add all of this white bit here to trade with. And then we're going from there into the edge of this. That's your job. That's your minute charts. This is kind of a way to scalp it if you like. It's not overly difficult. The problem is if you get this wrong, it's very low reward against a higher risk. Now, I'm not stupid. I already could see in the higher time frames that the direction was probably to the downside. Now, because I'm using a minute chart, there we are, job's done. It's just cashed out. Quite happy with that, 37 quid. And it was £37 for doing next to nothing. And it took seconds. It's now on a key turning point. Oh, what do you know? It's turning. Kabush. Same rules as what I do on a day trade. Just scoped right in. Right in. And from there, get a trade. Simple, eh? Do it maybe once, twice an hour. And all these 25 quids, 30 quids, etc. add up. Doesn't take a lot. And if I just pull that chart back, just out of curiosity, I was right to target that level because it went to it to the pip and stopped. And it stalled bang on that level as we are speaking. Levels are king. And if you know how to draw your levels, probably in with a shot. There you go, Haircut. Stop winding me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Can't wait to really wake you up. And just so that you can carry on. Level was dead. Level was dead. Doesn't matter the time frame, as long as you know what you're looking for. As always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.